Welcome to this beautifully renovated one-bedroom, one-bathroom home located in downtown South Amboy, New Jersey. You have a porch when you walk in, great for storage. Then you walk through the living room. Everything in the house is brand new. Floors, cabinets, kitchen, tiles. The kitchen is nice and bright with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. Everything is beautifully redone in the house. Then you go to the bedroom, modern lighting, and then we have a walk-in cedar closet, amazing for storage. And then we have this bathroom with a stand-up shower, lots of storage. Actually, there is a lot of storage in the house. This is the pantry, and the kitchen extends to another room, which also serves as a laundry area. We don't have to walk down to the basement, which is great for storage, but you don't have to go out there if you need to do laundry. The backyard is spectacular with a lot of grass, which would be great for grilling and partying with your friends. There is a driveway on the right side of the house, so you don't have to worry about parking on the street. If you think you know anybody who might be interested, living just a block and a half from the South Amboy train station, very close to the South Amboy ferry and all the highways. We are right by Broadway, which is kind of Main Street in South Amboy. Then just give us a call.